Hi, my name's Gail Penberthy and I'm here today. I'm from Endless Thread Designs and I want to talk to you about one of my favourite little Christmas projects. These are my pyramid advent boxes. You can make 24 little ones from the pattern, or you can make a series of different sizes. Here's a medium size one. I think with the medium sized ones, they make a really good alternative to Christmas crackers. So I couldn't resist making an extra large box. So here it is for that Christmas day. And you could put a lovely gift inside this one. And then if you've got like that sort of Russian doll kind of theme, then why not make the boxes fit inside each other? And then you could have each box opening, showing something else or some other little gift. Imagine putting some sort of, I don't know, vouchers or something like that in them. So what I want to do is I want to explain to you how they're made.